Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee Express. At ang sender natin ay si Amana M. Trio.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ang order ko rito is yung collar spring funnel. Yung sa ibabaw ng center spring, yung plastic.
Hindi, wow.
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Guys, galing pa tong Indonesia. So ito yun guys. Honda pa yan guys. Honda Indonesia. Made in Indonesia guys. Kung makikita nyo. Yan. Made in Indonesia guys. So guys, si seller's legit. Thank you for watching.